Scratch. That's good. What a rock star. Give me another one here.
You're gonna have to get something to eat.
How about some Alice in Chains?
Little Dead Flowers.
Okay, Black Sabbath. Let me hear a couple licks from Randy Rhoads.
All right. Get something to eat.
And of course today, December, what is today's date? What is today's date anyway? It's December, it's Sunday. Everything's a whole lot better here under the bridge today.
I'll take a picture for you.
I'm not taking a picture, I'm taking a video.
Oh, sorry.
Who are you?
I'm Darren.
Darren?
Hey, man.
You want to say a word or two?
Do I want to say a word or two? A word or two?
Hey, good job.
I don't know what to say. Other than, even though that we're right here, I just came back from Haiti, and I can just tell you this place looks completely clean compared to what I just came in. So, it's beautiful here.
Good to have you back. It's beautiful here today.